Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty and wellness products with a touch of expertise and an honest perspective. Today, we're reviewing the Master Massage 28-inch Breeze Lightweight Aluminum Portable Massage Table Package. If you're a mobile therapist or someone in need of a portable, sturdy, and comfortable massage table for various treatments, this could be just what you've been looking for. Now, we all know that a good massage table is about so much more than just comfort. It's about performance, reliability, and portability, especially if you're on the go. Let's take a look at this table's features and see how it holds up in real-world use. The Master Massage Breeze table is crafted with aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, making it both light and incredibly sturdy, weighing in at just 28 pounds. Its dimensions are 28 inches wide and 72.5 inches long, with the option to extend to 84 inches if you include the headrest. It's got an adjustable height range between 23 and 33 inches, which makes it versatile enough to suit different user preferences and types of treatments. So, whether you're working with clients who prefer a lower or higher setting, this table can accommodate it. One of the standout features of this table is its 2-inch high-density foam cushion. The foam strikes a solid balance between comfort and support, making it an excellent choice for prolonged sessions. Whether it's a deep tissue massage or a lighter, more relaxing treatment, this cushion does a great job of providing the right amount of firmness while still feeling soft. As for the upholstery, we're looking at a PU, polyurethane, material that's both oil and water resistant. So if you're working with oils or lotions during a treatment, cleaning up afterward is a breeze. The material feels durable and has a nice, smooth finish. Plus, it comes with a 5-year guarantee, which gives a sense of confidence that this is an investment meant to last. The aircraft-grade aluminum alloy legs offer a great blend of lightweight portability and solid stability. If you're constantly setting up and breaking down for events or home visits, this table makes that process easy. The push-button height adjusters are simple to use and ensure smooth transitions between different height settings. It's these kinds of design details that really make a difference when you're working quickly and need something reliable. Now let's talk about strength and durability. The table can hold up to 750 pounds, with the steel support cables reinforced to handle up to 1,000 pounds of weight. That's some serious stability right there, ensuring that both you and your clients feel secure during each session. Whether you're treating clients of varying sizes or doing rigorous techniques, this table will hold its ground. As for the accessories, the adjustable face cradle with pillow, contoured armrest shelf, and comfort half-round bolster add great value to the overall package. These additions help enhance the comfort for clients and ensure you have everything you need to give a full, professional experience. The deluxe carrying case makes transportation a breeze, so you can easily pack up and go to your next appointment. Now, I did want to highlight a couple of minor drawbacks. For instance, while the table is incredibly lightweight for its size, there's still some assembly required when you first receive it. It's not complicated, but it's worth noting if you're someone who prefers things to come fully assembled. Value for money. That's an important part of any review, right? Given the quality construction, durable upholstery, and added accessories, I'd say the Master Massage Breeze is a solid investment for mobile therapists or anyone needing a portable, reliable massage table. When you compare it to other tables in this price range, it delivers a lot of features and stability for the cost. If you're considering alternatives, there are other portable massage tables out there, but many either fall short in terms of build quality or comfort for the price. This table really shines in terms of strength, portability, and accessory support. So unless you're looking for something with a bit more luxury in the upholstery or more advanced features like heated options, I'd say this one offers great value. So, who would benefit from this table? If you're a mobile therapist, a home business owner, or someone attending workshops or events, this is definitely a solid choice for you. It's designed for people who need a balance between portability and durability. If you think this review helped you out, Please hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a review like this. Your support really helps us keep providing honest and detailed reviews. Thanks so much for watching. If you've already tried this massage table or have any thoughts about it, drop a comment below and let us know your experiences. Beautyistic is all about sharing knowledge, and we love hearing from you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.